1993 Chevy Caprice Classic station wagon. He's gonna make it into a sleeper, which is awesome. It's got like 132,000 miles original. Anyways, what we did on it, put a high flow cat right there instead of that gigantic cat right there. Let it breathe a little bit more. Then it's stock 2.5-inch pipe. Then we put a MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK right there. And again, there'll be a link in the description for the cat and the MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK. And then a massive 4-inch tip that we did earlier. We actually straight piped it. I should have done a video, but we've been busy. But it was a little bit too loud for him. He wanted it to be tamed down. So then we put him a massive 4-inch by 18 roll tip right there. And like always, guys, please subscribe, like, and comment, and all that good stuff. Chevy Caprice Classic. You don't see much of these anymore, and I love it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Yeah, it took all the rest out. Still loud enough. Imagine if it was dual. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right? Whoa, reach 108. That's awesome. Go ahead and back it up.
Oh my God.
Look how much deeper it is since we put the cat on it. That high flow, it opened it up a lot. It changed the sound completely, huh?
Yeah, that's amazing.
You gotta tint the windows.
Yeah, that's nice.
See now it's jumping? Look, you can see it tilted a little bit. It's like, finally I can breathe. Yeah. That's awesome. One more? I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Caprice Classic 1993 with MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK, high flow cat, and a 4-inch roll tip. Oh, that sounds good. What do you guys think?